Welcome everybody. Welcome to today's trade recap. So today I actually lost today. So let me show you guys real quick. So here was the trade I took today. Yeah, this was the trade I took today. So today I shared this on my Discord. Today my bias was totally bearish because of this SMT, and the this is a daily fair value gap right here. So I was totally bearish. As you can see, I'm gonna pull up my Discord for you guys so you can see I actually share that on my Discord. So this was the trade I took. So let's wait for this shit to load up. The trade we took today. So let me just show you quickly. So I head over to daily buyers. So this was the daily buyers I dropped today. So I actually say today is gonna be bearish, as you can see. So you can see that right here. I said my bias for XAUSD is gonna be bearish again, reacting from a one-day fair value gap, making a bearish SMT at the highs and swept the previous day high, displacing to the previous day low. So actually it swept the previous day high. You can see that here. So this is the 1 hour chart. I'm going to show you guys in the chat real quick. So you can see price swept this high, this high, and is displacing down. Sorry for this is a mistake. So let me quickly show you that in the chat so you guys can actually see that. So I came into the market in the morning, and I noticed that the market has been it has been bullish. Totally it has been bullish. So I noticed that price was coming up to this 1 day fair value gap. So I saw that, so I knew I had to do something. So I noticed that, first of all, let's swap all the shit out. Swap all the shit out, okay? So first of all, I came in and noticed that, first of all, when I came in, I drew my shit like this. I drew my shit, and I noticed that the market is gonna be bearish today because of, you can see market swept the previous day high, and it's displacing downwards. So I had to post that on my Discord community, and today my bias was bearish. So I came into the market, New York open, and as you can see, I lost today. So I came into the market New York session. So let me open that real quick. Let me show you where I entered from. Okay, so I was looking at um XLUSD and XAGUSD. I noticed XAGUSD is moving good. So first of all, let me show you guys the PNL I took today, so you guys will know I'm not blind. Let me show you the PNL quickly. Okay, so let me show you the PNL where okay, let me show you the PNL quickly. Let us see. As you can see, this should hit my stop loss. I was down. I lost minus $39.25 today. So I told you guys I made a mistake right here. So let me explain that for you guys real quick. So I came into the market. I noticed that New York session open. New York session was going high. So I noticed that New York session is gonna make a SMT, or it's gonna, mostly all the times New York session tends to take out a previous any high resting above. If it wants to go bearish, it's gonna take out, and it's gonna take out any high above, then continue its final move. So I noticed that. So I came in. I noticed that. So I noticed the SMT. So my mistake was I was supposed to wait for a confirmation on both pairs. So I actually wait for confirmation on only XAUSD, and as you can see, I was stopped out like a fool. As you can see that. So I entered off of the 3 minute, as you can see. So I saw an SMT right here, as you can see. Let me draw that real quick. So this was a very good SMT. Yeah, you can see this. This was a good SMT. So I actually draw this. If I go back to my Siva, you're gonna see that market didn't take out this high. Market did take out this high. So let me put that real quick. Okay, you can see that. Okay, you can see this market took out this high right here. So I knew I was gonna be bearish. You can see this. You can see this. This is what I'm supposed to be entering this trade, but I have a rule where I only trade once a day. So I'm done for the day. So I found out my mistake and I've learned it. So I just want to be trading only once in a day. So that's just it. So I actually entered on gold. So I entered off of this um 3 minute engulfing candle right here. So I entered around this place. I entered here. I entered here, yeah. I entered here and I was targeting this low. It was about like a 104, yeah, 104, 104, yeah. But I wasn't gonna wait till it's gonna do that, so I don't know. So and you can see I got stopped out like a fool. You can see this. I got stopped out so bad. So I know my mistake. As you can see, market is actually displacing downward to show that I actually made my mistake. So I have a rule: I only trade once in a day. And this I shared this on my Discord. Let me put that for you guys real quick. I shared this trade on my Discord, which I lost. I shared this trade on my Discord. You can see this where I entered. You can see I entered from there, and you can see got stopped out so quick. I was stopped out right here. So I was actually trading this live on my Kick account. Let me pull up my Kick account for you guys real quick. So I recently ended the stream because my network was a bit bad and I don't want to trade again. So I just ended the stream right there. Let me pull up my account for you guys real quick. So I'm just newly on Kick. So you guys should go support me. I'm gonna drop the link in the description. So I'll be dropping video back to back, as you can see. As you can see, I'll be dropping video back to back, and we have only one followers up. So I pray this gets to people that really wants to see this, so they can follow my Kick account. And if you want to join the Discord community, I'm gonna still drop the link in the description. As you can see, we actually smashed TP, but I streamed this. You can go check out in the Kick account. I streamed this and you can see we smash TP live. So that's gonna be the end of today's recap. So lesson for today, I'm just gonna journal my trade real quick. And my lesson for today is that you have to wait for confirmation on both pairs. If you're trading SMT, because I only trade SMT, so you're gonna look for confirmation on both pairs. You can see markets really going well. If I switch to silver, you can see my SMT is going to be good right there, and it's going to give me a very, 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 very good confirmation that price is going to be shifting bearish. So I don't know what's wrong with my network. My network is lagging, bro. My network is lagging. Today we're actually down minus $39, like I showed you guys right here. So we're down minus $39.25. So the aim is to get to 50K, $50,000. Is to get to 50K. And right now we're up on where we were last the last day we're up $217. So let me do that time. That is 177.75. That's how much I lost. That's how much I'm currently on to my goal to 50K. So if you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe. If you didn't, you can still leave a like, because I actually put in time to create this trade recap. So I'm going to be dropping my trade recap every single day. So do well to be there every single day. So that's just going to be the end of today's recap. And I'm going to be dropping recap, like I told you guys, every day. That's the end of today's recap. So GG's, guys. GG's.